欢迎来到马家厨房。你们还记得这个是什么吗？如果你忘记，你可以点开来看。
Previously.
Trying to find a way to make it easier to say that there's just one thing on my mind, and I think it's time for you to realize I want you all to myself. Don't wanna share you with nobody else. So give me something to believe. Will you promise me? Will you promise me?
已经有34天了，现在我要开来给你们看。还没有拿红酒出来之前，我们需要准备的是2个碗、1块布、1罐玻璃瓶装红酒的，另外一个玻璃瓶是装红酒糟，1个漏斗，1个大勺。现在可以开来看了。哇，味道好像已经出来了。很香的味道。哇，真的太香了！你们看。这个是它的糯米，这是红曲。你们看它的酒的颜色很美哦。哎呀，还是你们自己来看呢。酒瓶一定要拿烧水来消毒，烫了以后就要放在太阳下晒，一定要晒到干为止，不可以有水分在酒瓶里面。现在暂时把酒瓶放在一旁先，用这块布放在大碗上面，就是这样。我们要把酒和红酒糟分开。There's not a single day that passes without you on my mind. Not even 1 minute can end up before you come around. I yearn for the days when I see your face here before me. I long for the time to hold me in your arms. How I wish that 就是这样。好像以前的人洗衣服这样子转干衣服，哇，好多酒啊！直到它水干为止。这不是水哦，这是酒。现在差不多了。现在红酒跟红酒糟已经分开了。漏斗是少不了的东西，现在我们要把酒放在酒瓶里面。 好多哦，你看，哎呦，哎呦呦呦呦呦，倒得太快了。哇，这样子已经有半只了，来，再继续。红酒糟千万不要丢掉。现在我要把红酒糟放在瓶子里。其实这个红酒糟是可以拿来煎鸡蛋，也是可以拿来炒鸡肉。就是这样子而已，就是一直重复我们之前的做法。
I was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights all around me keep blinding my eyes from you and the truth. Don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me why. I know, no, no, you won't save my life. Save my life. Baby, keep on, you're making the waves. You and I will never be safe. Be safe. If the walls come down, will you pick me off the ground? If the walls come down, will you save me or burn me down? I was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights all around me keep blinding my eyes from you and the truth. Don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me why. I know, no, no, you won't save my life. Save my life. Baby, keep on, you're making the waves. You and I will never be safe. Be safe. If the walls come down, will you
叮叮，你看，这个是我刚酿好的红酒。今天我可以酿出1瓶半的红酒，但是有时候我可以酿出2瓶的红酒哦。在马来西亚1瓶红酒大概是15块左右。好，现在是到此为止，下次再见，拜拜。
哎，老婆，你做梦？现在已经12点半了。
哦，喝一点酒好睡啊。哇，很香甜呢。太好喝了！你要不要喝一点？
有我了。
哦，怎么样？
蛮好喝，很甜哦。
来，再加一点。好喝哦。这么？这个我可以喝一大杯的嘞，这个。
可以了。等下你喝醉去，你会吗？不会了，这种不会可以的。
真的很好喝，等一下很好睡了。
拜。